Hello friends, welcome to Subhashini Cooking. Today we are going to make okra mandi. For this we need okra, onion, tomato, green chili, tamarind, salt, garlic, rice flour, curry leaves and coriander. First heat a pan, add oil and then salt the okra to remove the stickiness and keep it aside, and then heat the pan and add oil and add the seasoning to it, add the mustard, and then when it pops up, add onion, garlic, curry leaves, chili, and saute it for a few minutes, and then add the tomatoes and mix it. And add the turmeric and salt that is needed for it. As we have the okra sauteed and then the stickiness taken out, and we have it separately in a bowl. Once the tomato gets cooked, we will add the okra. In Tamil we say Vendakkai. And then now add the okra and mix it. It won't take much time. Now add the tamarind water that we have it. It will be quick. And then if needed, add some salt too. And you can add a little bit of more water so that you can get that gravy like a mandi. And then now when it starts to boil, add the rice water, what we have ready, the rice flour mixed in the 2 tablespoons of water. Now it is starting to boil slowly. Now add the rice water now. See, now it has thickened. It has become thick and you can see it. And now it's ready. You can switch off the stove and transfer it into a bowl and serve with the hot rice. Try making this and leave your comments below. Bye.